Meow. 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 What are you doing? Well, now we're jammed. Oh God. Oh, never mind. I'm not going in there. Oh, he's got out. Oh, off he goes. Off he goes into the distance. We'll record now. Now? Record?
Check this out.
Who's bite? Oh, I'm gonna love this.
Oh, it sounds like it's dying now, doesn't it? Come here in a bit, Cass, I think it's going. There, Cass, the touch.
This can't be out. No, not yet. Funness. That'll bring it down. Oh God. Funness is going throughout. That'll bring it out, yeah. Okay, our funness is now done. Funness is done. Time to go to my nan's. Yeah! Actually, sort of. So that's going to go on charge and there'll be a lot of videos of that. So yeah, that is sick though, ain't it guys? So, yeah, we're off to our nan's. Yay! So, I don't really know. Okay. So as you can see in the last video, I smashed this Strange Wolf. Luckily, it did not do anything. It didn't break or anything. There's no scratches. It's fine. What? Yeah. It's cool. Yeah.
Up there tomorrow?
Yeah.
Good charge.
Yeah.
I think you charge you for 4 hours.
4 hours.
Yeah, so
We can just charge that overnight. Yeah.
Charge tomorrow morning.
Hoot, hoot, hoot. Oh, so cute. It's 2 cocker spaniels, like my dogs, chasing after a ball. These were up here yesterday. I remember seeing them. Guys, I'm Keenan. Hey, yes. Hey, yeah. Oh, dude. Look at that cute.
Yeah. Oh, amazing.
Come.
Swinging the boat.
It's a ball.
It's like Rocky, Dad.
Uh-huh.
I I knew that they were Cocker Spaniels. They were up here yesterday, weren't they?
Different breed of Sprock there.
They were up here yesterday. Yeah, they were up here yesterday. I saw them with the man. Only Kian and Reese will remember that.
Yeah.
Cute though, aren't they? Not as cute as Rocky.
I have to read up what it's now, Cass. I think it's when that green light starts going. I think you're turned away, isn't it? Yeah, straight on. Straight on, that's right.
We like helping people. Screw you, society. Oh wait. I'm just gonna climb over there.
Okay.
So where are we going now, Dad? Yay! Tea! Now we will be in Davos. Reese!
Hello?
We just went down with the boat.
Huh?
We went down with Reese. We just went on the boat.
Come back.
Good.
Let's
What's
go
up, Cass? Yes, yes.
into the wilderness and pee.
Alright. What time are you at tomorrow?
I didn't know the Reese was here.
Alright.
Oh my god, my auntie and my mother have my nails done. Cha.
Try now, can you watch?
Sorry.
Oh, you can stop something while you made, didn't it? You are, as you know.
Quietness. And I'm going to end the video off here. Goodbye. Goodbye. As soon as I get home, I will be doing a gameplay video on the Devon's Waffles. Okay, goodbye.